Alright, got a little lube on that O-ring. Snapper in there. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we are going to be deleting the Purge valve on the 1972 Buick LeSabre. Oh, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We do car content over here. We got a lot of cars, a lot of stuff going on, man. Y'all see the big mess out here. This is what we do. But anyways, so we're going to be doing Purge valve delete on the 1972 Buick LeSabre. And yeah, we'll just knock that out. And we'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, now that we got that out the way, so we'll go ahead and unplug this. And the reason behind this is it threw a check engine light for this, and then also I got a new cover for the top, and it won't clear this, so I don't need this really. Oh, I'm moving too fast. So it's a 5/16 bolt. We're gonna pop him out. Uh-oh, I might need two hands. Okay, there you go. We're gonna pop him on out, and then we'll get right to it. I should have grabbed an impact. I don't like using impacts on aluminum. Really? The wind ain't been blowing at all. Now I want to blow. Alright, so got that bolt out. This holds it. That holds it in place. There we go. She loose. Also guys, man, y'all smash that like button at least. It's free, it don't cost you nothing. We spend a lot of money bringing y'all these videos. So there you go. That's out. Now we got the ICT Billet plate from Summit Racing. So that's what we're gonna be running. That's to delete that purge valve right there. So let me pop it open. It will be sealed. Hold on. Alright, I got it open. Also, part number is gonna be, come on, focus, 551624 per solenoid plug. So there you go. If you need it, that's the part number. And I'll link everything in I'll link everything in the description, guys. A little dark right there, but alright, there we go. Looks a little better. Anyways, so it comes with your O-ring and your bolt. So we're gonna put our O-ring on first. O-ring's gonna go here. Boom, just like that. Easy money. And then that's gonna plug in there. And I'll scooch y'all over here in a minute. I don't have nobody hold the camera. Oh yeah, I usually like to put a little lube on the O-ring. Hold on. Alright, got a little lube on that O-ring. Snapper in there. There she go. That's why you want to put a little lube. Goes in there a little bit easier. all the way down. We're just gonna snug it. That should be perfect. Alright guys, that should stop us from getting that code. And let me see. We will eliminate that wire, but I'm gonna throw it out the way right now so I know I'm not gonna use that one. And I think that'll be it. Next video, I think we're gonna be putting the loom on all these wires up here and getting everything covered up. So y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Silky Smooth gang. Peace.